Welcome to Tech Solutions, your premium tech guide. Do you want to install Internet Information Services IIS on Windows Server 2022? Internet Information Services IIS for Windows Server is a flexible, secure and manageable web server for hosting anything on the web. From media streaming to web applications, IIS's scalable and open architecture is ready to handle the most demanding tasks. In this video, we will be guiding you how you can install IIS on your Windows Server. Stick with the video till end to avoid any errors. Let's begin. Open Windows Server Manager on Windows Server. Wait for a couple of seconds till it is stated fully with all of services. Click on Add Roles and Features. Follow the on-screen instructions. Choose role-based or feature-based installation. Choose your server from the list and click Next. Choose Web Server and the dependent services along with. Choose also IIS Hostable Web Client along with IIS Management Console option. Click Install to start the installation. Wait for a couple of minutes for installation to be finished. You can close this Windows once the installation has been finished. You must be seeing IIS has appeared in the Server Manager window now. You can customize it according to your own needs. You can also test it on Windows localhost. Anything to ask? Comment it. Thanks for watching.